Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a super quick nursery wreath using Sola wood flowers. So all you need is a little tiny wreath, some Sola wood flowers, and a glue gun. And if you actually go over to the Sola website, I actually just ordered this from them. I think at the time that I got it, it was on sale for $1.99, and I got a 50 pack of these really cute, rustic looking flowers, I think for $30, maybe even less, $24. Anyways, very affordable. So what I'm going to do to start is I'm going to go around the wreath. I'm going to pick where I want the flowers. So you could totally be creative with this if you want them in little clusters, if you want to fill the entire wreath with them, totally your call. So I also just wanted to show you, so there are so many different kinds of flowers in here. Like this is a little rosebud. I have no idea what kind of flower this is, but it's not a rose. A tulip. There's just so many different kinds, so that, you know, even if you're not the most creative person, if you're putting these randomized around the wreath, it's going to look really put together, pretty, and charming. Okay, so this is the general placement that I came up with. I wanted to do, you know, kind of like a half and half. I like the idea that a little bit of the wreath would be showing, just to add that, again, the rustic charm to it. So these are all still loose. I need to glue them all down, and I will likely have to add a few more filler flowers just to get, you know, the outside so it looks really lush and pretty. So I'm just going to fast forward through this part, but you can see here that you can actually bend and manipulate the shape of the flowers to fill in the space that you need, or to get them to line up to the type of flower that's beside them. And this is the halfway mark. I think it looks so cute already. And I'm just going to continue to fit until it's to my liking. You guys, I am so happy with how this came out. It's stunning. Like, what? I'm an artist. Wow. So I just wanted to record this process for you guys to show you how easy it is to use Sola wooden flowers. Because anyone who knows me knows I'm not the artist of the family. I'm barely crafty, and I think this looks like retail quality. Like, I think they would sell this at like Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel. I'm flattering myself, but I think it's beautiful. So I will link everything in the description box below. If you want to go over to Sola Wooden Flowers and get yourself your own kit. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you liked my little nursery wreath. Okay, bye guys.